Hello everyone, I'm Nazneen Rajani, CEO and founder of Kore.ai. We are a venture-backed Silicon Valley startup, and today we'll explore how leading companies are deploying reliable AI. Like Michael said, before Kore.ai, I was a research lead at Hugging Face, where I worked on open sourcing the ChatGPT recipe, including the model and data set for SFT, which is supervised fine-tuning, and reinforcement learning with human feedback. So we just heard from BCG earlier today morning. So let me start with some striking stats from BCG. So recently, BCG surveyed 1,000 CXOs across 59 countries. And guess what they found? They found that only 26% of companies have what it takes to turn AI strategy into real ROI. This means that nearly 3 out of 4 companies are still stuck. They are in the last mile, struggling to operationalize AI and bridge the gap from pilot to production. That ends today. Because in this session, we are going to talk about how the leading 26% are doing it and how you can too. Many organizations still treat AI as a one-off initiative, but the most successful ones understand that it's an ongoing process. Think of it as a true AI improvement flywheel. This flywheel has 3 critical components: the assess, guard, and improve. Assess is evaluating how your AI is performing at scale, based on your unique model specifications and business goals. In guard, you are proactively defending against off-spec or unsafe outputs with real-time protection. And finally, in improve, you systematically enhance the model's performance by curating high-quality data that fills gaps and strengthens the weak spots. At Kore.ai, we have built the technology designed specifically to power this flywheel. At the heart of our approach is the AI Judge, which is powered by auto-align, which learns your preferences and helps you assess, guard, and improve AI systems more effectively over time. And we do all this with just 15 to 20 samples, thanks to our proprietary auto-align technology. Kore.ai and Kore.ai have been partners in this improvement journey. So let's talk about our collaboration. ExoGPT is Kore.ai's suite of frontier models, already handling millions of conversations across top Fortune 500 companies. But getting ExoGPT to where it is today required significant AI research and development, both from us as well as the researchers at Kore. There were 3 key challenges that stood out. First one is scalability, delivering enterprise-grade performance across thousands of interactions. Second, adaptation, aligning to specialized domains across diverse customer verticals. And third, the guardrails, which is protecting users without slowing down the experience. And these are exactly the problems that the AI improvement flywheel supports: the assess, guard, and improve. It is designed to tackle that. Here's how we at Kore.ai elevated the ExoGPT's performance. First, we created a custom flex judge aligned to Kore's model spec, defining what desired and undesired behavior looks like. This powered a custom test suite to identify stress points in the model. Next, we used the judge to curate high-quality preference data, focused on the exact areas where the model was underperforming. And finally, we fine-tuned using the data to boost accuracy, safety, and helpfulness, especially in the multilingual settings. The results: 91% of bot responses improved, better safety in 9 languages, and millions of delighted users across Kore's enterprise deployments. This is AI improvement flywheel in action. Kore is not a one-off customer success story. Leading enterprises are activating similar AI data flywheels to drive performance improvements. Let's take a look at some of our other customers. Sadaya set out to enhance performance for their Alam suite of models across both Arabic and English. Our AI judges assessed the models across 40 risk categories and 8 jailbreak techniques, and then improved the outputs by curating preference data and fine-tuning. The result, over 10,000 jailbreaking prompts identified across model sizes from 7B all the way to 72 billion parameters. Next, at ServiceNow, the focus was on boosting the performance of the Now LLM on foundation model benchmarks. The AI judges curated high-quality data for post-training workflows, including continual pre-training, supervised fine-tuning, and reinforcement learning. All of this powered by our judges. The result, saving them more than $10 million annually in training costs. Finally, Masterclass needed to secure their AI instructor bots, like an AI version of Mark Cuban, by eliminating hallucination and off-spec responses. They used FlexJudge to assess each persona's behavior and fine-tuned using the preference data. The result was 15% improvement in model safety and reliability scores. Now, let me introduce you to Collinear Flex, a tool for turning your subject matter expert into AI judges. With just a handful of annotated examples, Flex can model your unique preferences, what good looks like for your business, and just as importantly, what off-spec means. Once created, these judges can assess, guard, and improve the AI outputs, powering the AI improvement flywheel that we have been talking about. And what's powerful is that it's not static. The Flex judges can take feedback and iterate, learning and refining over time as your needs and policies evolve. We won't go into the full demo now, but if you're curious, you can check out the Loom walkthrough by scanning the QR code or connect with me after the session. So now this gets us to what can you do today to deploy great AI? I want you to take away these 3 things from today's session. These are things that we have consistently seen in teams that succeed at AI. Number 1, own your AI strategy. Don't wait for your AI model provider to make improvements for you. Your users, your use cases, your standards. You need to lead what good looks like. Second, move beyond static evaluations. Benchmarks are a start, but they are not enough. You need dynamic, real-world tests that reflect your workflows, risks, and edge cases. And finally, have a systematic improvement plan. Whether you're working with open source models or API-based ones, the path to better AI is continuous, and it needs to be measurable and repeatable. This is what separates teams that deploy AI from those that deploy frontier AI. That's all I have. Thank you.